Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Hustle Academy. In today's video, I'm going to reveal how easy it is to make money right now, especially with TikTok Shop's new affiliate program. It is the best way to make money on TikTok. Stay tuned until the end to learn how to make thousands of dollars a year with TikTok. Get good motivation to increase your income quickly. Don't miss out. Hit that play button now and transform your earnings. Remember to subscribe for more tips. If you want to start making money on TikTok but need help figuring out where to start, use Calodata. Here you can find out which product is trending today, how much the most popular TikTokers earn, how they do it, and which videos are the most popular, and you will only have to repeat the same in your videos. Use my link in the description and get a 10% discount. We're exploring the beauty and personal care market today. It is the bloody lip tint. It's priced at about $15. This product has seen around 19,000 sales, and the revenue was almost $302,000. Nearly 103 creators are promoting it. Let's take a look at one of the top sellers in this category. She sold about 4,200 items and generated nearly $83,650 in revenue in the last 30 days. That's $2,800 per day. Also, you can watch videos of competitors.
Trying out all 7 shades of Sushi Glow lip stains. Going from light to dark, we are going to start with the shade Killer Bunny. It is the safest shade out of them all, and by that I mean color-wise and easiest to remove. It is a gorgeous rose pink shade, like a cute little white bunny that just murdered a tasty rose bush. Absolutely stunning with one coat, but I decided to do 2 just to deepen the shade. I absolutely love this one, and I think it'd be so flattering on so many skin tones. Moving on to the next one, Bleeding Crystal. I think this is the shade Vampire Marilyn Monroe would wear. It's just the most stunning shade of crimson with a gorgeous warm undertone. It gives us this rusty blood shade that is just unmatched in the market. And it has a staying power that would be perfect for sucking a Kennedy. Anyway, moving on, our next shade is a Lovesick OG. This shade is the most perfect autumn color. I imagine it as what you would get if you were to wipe the blood off of a rusty knife used to unalive an unfaithful lover. Absolutely stunning and unique. Of course, we would never do that. We're too pretty for that. Next one is Ripped Guts. This one's very close to being my favorite. It's truly a stunning shade of deep strawberry rose rouge, yet it still has that blood undertone that really sets it apart from the rest. It's very hot Victorian vampire chick that just got done eating a man's heart and used his handkerchief to clean off the excess. Very cutesy, very mindful. very demure. Now before going forward, I needed to show y'all the true staying power of these lip stains. This is me using an oil cleanser. As you can see, it is not wanting to budge. Don't freak out. It's gonna be okay. Just be patient and gentle so you don't rub your skin off like I did the first time I wore the black lip stain. You will want a good oil cleanser and waterproof makeup remover. These are what I use and I'll leave them linked down below. Next shade is Lilith. It's a stunning deep blood red. If female rage was a color, I think this would be it because the depth of this shade reminds me of the depth in a woman's rage. You can just tell there are so many hidden layers underneath the surface. A gorgeous color for the upcoming fall season as well. It is unbelievable how gorgeous these are even after wiping them off. Next shade is Twilight Princess. This one is an absolutely gorgeous deep shade of blackberry, truly reminiscent of a twilight sky. This is the shade a woman would wear after serving her estranged husband a glass of his favorite wine mixed with deadly nightshade. This of course only happened because he had an affair with his secretary and acted like it was her fault. At least she'll look beautiful while she hides the body. Next shade is the best shade. This is Ghoul. It is the best black lip stain I have ever used. This one is truly unmatched in the market with its deep black shade. There is nothing else like it. It feels like there's nothing on the lips. It lasts through everything. If you want a stunning black lip that lasts all day, this is what you need. It's a goth Ghoul stream, okay? Once it dries down, it's not going anywhere, and honestly, you're gonna want to be so patient when taking this off, but it is so worth it. Each of these shades have incredible longevity, are absolutely gorgeous even when fading, and have almost double the product per unit than all others on the market. They're also super comfortable and they don't dry out your lips. Right now, Sushi Glow is offering all 7 shades in a package priced at $10 each, which is a great deal because they're all $20 a piece normally. If you are interested in these at all, I will leave them linked down below along with all the individual shades as well, depending on what you decide to do. And if you made it this far, please let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
This video is super simple and to the point, something anyone can create in just a few hours. If you're looking to make some extra money, TikTok is a great platform to explore. Connect TikTok Shop to your account. Use tools like Calodata to analyze competitors and start making videos. You can even produce content in different languages using AI. The best tool for that is 11 Labs. Check the link in the description. It's super easy with the help of artificial intelligence. In one of my future videos, I'll show you how to make TikTok videos using AI. Thanks for watching. I hope this video opens up new earning opportunities for you. Let me know what you think about this method in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to Digital Hustle Academy for more money-making tips. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.